Hey City Beauties, I'm back again. This is Deirdre. As I've gotten older, I need 3 staple products to keep myself looking youthful. One for the face, one for the body, and one for the eyes. For your body, I've got Invisicrepe Body Balm. This really helps with those crepey areas on your skin. For the face, we have the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream, and this is gonna lift, firm, and hydrate your skin. Then everyone needs a good eye cream. You start aging there first. We have this, which is the Under Eye Recovery. This one has a unique pump and just lightly dab it under your eyes, going from the corner in towards your nose, so you're not stretching the skin. I promise you, if you try these, you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, City Beauties. We'll see you next time.